Alright, well, you don't know we're in the hood right now. Come, let me show you the brand new vehicle. When you're balling, this is what you get. Right here. So this, top of the line, it's streamlined. You understand? Ear don't even touch it. Ear just pass through it. It's quick. You want to talk about safety? Look at this. We even put in a child safety seat for you. Now look, let me show you something. The rims, them spinning. Them spinning.
Sure, what time you gotta be home?
You don't even listen to that brother there. You know what I'm saying? Make sure say you follow me, subscribe, Instagram. Hey, Madwhitejamaican. Hey, them. Yo, beg you $1 now. You see how you film me and thing, please give me $1 now. No man, you must can give me $1. On the river.